Tada! Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Sky Lexis Studio. Woo! So, what a happy, blessed Sunday for today, guys. Char. Yes, guys. For today, what we're gonna discuss? What we're gonna discuss? Huh? Okay, guys. It's a random topic. I choose, which is the fat cat. About fat cat, you know, the one in China is the most famous, been viral, this kind of things. Okay, yeah, so let's have a little bit snippet for this one. Okay. So this is my video reaction for this one, guys. So our topic for today is about like love. Ooh, love. Handumanan sausaka awit. Yes, guys. Yes. Basically, guys. Just a quick background for this one. So, Fat Cat is a gamer, and the other girl is I think it's an ordinary simple girl, and she meet this girl. I think in the online. Yeah, they meet in the online, I think so. I'm not really sure, okay, guys, but Fat Cat is a very famous gamer, and she's a very, you know, kind and generous. So basically, guys, love is very, 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 very dangerous if you're ready, you know, if you're hooked really and you give 100%. Oh my god. So all you have to do, guys, is we're talking about this one, guys, love, huh? It's all my own opinion, my on perceptions about this one. So yeah, so about love. So we're talking about love. Sino na ba na-end up sa inyo dyan? Yeah, this is it, guys. So we're talking about that one. This one of the lessons learned that we need to, you know, to always bear in our mind that, my god, you need to love yourself. You need to love yourself, to be honest, guys. Yeah. What really happened, so I'm gonna have a quick, okay, this one. What really happened is that Fat Cat, he give everything to this girl, and the girl is just, you know, use him, like, because Fat Cat is lots of money, this guy. So, and then this girl, she's demand to have a business like a flower shop, guys, right? So I think you know this one, guys. So this is only my quick review, okay? So as what I remember. So yeah, so that guy it's been already 2 years the relationship, and then the girl confessed that she tell the truth that she don't love him anymore, and that's why the guy is so hurt, because, you know, he gave everything to this girl, and he thought that they will be forever, because, guys, engage sila tapos ikakasal na. So that's really gonna be happen. But unfortunately, that's the thing. The girl broke up with him, and then the guy cannot take it. So that's why he committed, you know what I mean, guys. So yeah, nagpakamatay siya. So which is just so sad, because there's a lot of peoples out there. But I know we cannot really say that oh, it's easy for us. But no, I understand him. But the thing is, kung may isa lang tao na, you know yun, na may masandigan siya, hindi sana yun hahantong sa ganun. Kasi you never know, isn't it? So it means, guys, mahirap talaga pag broken hearted. Wow, we're talking about broken hearted in here. Yes, guys, it's really hard to move on, especially if it's been long and short or whatever it is kind of relationship that you have. Because, guys, pag nag-attach ka na talaga, guys, with the one person, pag na-attach ka, it's really hard to move on with that. So you need to take it slowly. So that's why, if you love, I think you don't need to give 100%, because, you know, that's the thing, that especially that we are the one to love, we give everything 100% for them, right? But hindi na nagre-reciprocate something like that, guys, diba? So yan ang because a lot of tantalize in the environment, temptation, right, guys? So that's the thing. So yun, I feel sad for that. And then, oh yeah, he missed the girl because before siya na, you know, he died, he gave a lot of money to her bank account, and also he texted him before that one na ginawa niya na yun nga, yung gusto siyang kumain ng McDo, bla bla bla, ganun. Pero yung girl sabi niya, wala ka palang pera, edi magtrabaho ka, something like that. So, but that is the last that they have conversation. And then, yeah, I think 7 days bago siya nakita. Yeah, because tumalon siya doon sa tulay, guys. So, that's really, really painful and really, oh my God, you know. So, in times, in terms with that, guys, I think you need to be like, give yourself love. You know, I mean, yeah, it's really us to say, like, nah, because you never experienced this one or blah, blah, blah. But, yeah, the pain is there. Really, really there, isn't it? But maybe God closed the door because it's not really, there's no growth. There's no, it's toxic. And you not grow up together anymore. Or, yeah, so maybe there is the right person in the future that maybe God prepare for you. Prepare. Yeah, that's what I've learned, that one, guys, in, you know, the one that in China that really happened. In terms of love, guys, it's a broad meaning of it. We cannot really we can't really say anything because say what happened to Katniel, right? So yeah, it's been a long years, and then my God, and then parang walang sa bula-bula lang. So, di ba guys, may iba na long-term relationship ka, pero pag nakahanap ka, just 1 month, nagpakasal ka na. Di ba guys, nangyayari yan eh. Especially, all relationship, it comes from 8 years, or 6 years, or 7 years, like that, or 3 years. It's maybe the long one. Everyone is lots of trials. Nagkakahiwalay talaga. Nagkakahiwalay. I don't know really, maybe it's because of the yung kampante na kayo because you know each other. Kasi iba talaga guys pag nag-in love ka, 'di ba? Yung eagerness mo you know, getting to know each other, blah blah blah. But if you reach the stage, yung nandiyan na kayo, yung komportable na kayo sa isa-isa, you know already your sides, what is your don'ts and likes, and then nasa middle na kayo. And that's the thing. Yung parang normal na lang, right? And then in the next stage, walang pakialaman or whatsoever. So I think that's really, really depends on the person, I think, to be honest. So if you're meant to be, it could be meant to be. But if it's not, then don't force it to yourself. Let it go. And just slowly, it's not really easy to move on. It's really to say that, yeah, move on whatsoever, but it's not really that kind because it's really hurt, right? It's painful because you love that person 100% more than your life. More than your life. Yes, guys, yeah. So, yun, I feel sorry for those people that did been hurt for so long, and then, you know, kasi, di ba, pag nag-broken heart ka, especially if you're long-term, magsisimula ka na naman uli. And, my God, it's look like nag-invest ka. Parang bahay na yan eh, or lupa, or whatsoever. And then, it's just bling, nawala lang lahat. So, that's the really painful and sad to say. Kaya, yung love talaga, manan talaga yan eh. Yung being maturity on how you handle it properly, your love life. Especially sometimes love and career is like that, right? So, really happening, guys. I thought there's my multo. Oh my God, because someone is passing. Oh my goodness. So, yes, guys. Just quick review. Yes, guys. So, yeah, that's all I can say. Love is totally so wide and very amazing, and it's so really, you know, great as well to those people who find the true love and destiny to each other. And yeah, salute with them. And yeah, to those people who are being broken, keep going and don't never lose hope, and don't feel that it's a failure in your life. No, it's not. It's a blessing from God above, that maybe it doesn't work like that. Maybe it's gonna be more stronger to the next chapter of your life. So yeah, that's the good thing. So don't take it negatively, take it as positively, and never give up in life as long as you're breathing. And to those people as well that been lost hope, that whatsoever to them, that yung ang bigat-bigat talaga, and just pray and everything's gonna be fall into place. You know what I mean? And every person, we have a lot of problems that we need to deal in life. And the thing is that it's really on how to handle it properly and to interact and to solve this kind of problem. Sometimes people who are very are more in pain is to those people who laugh so hard and who are like you know, they're laughing but inside are broken. You know, yeah, I can't relate that one. But for me, I'm still thankful because I have lots of friends, family, and all my relatives as well, my friends, close friends, best friends, or distant friends, or whatsoever, all over the world friends. Yeah, and I'm so happy for that. As long as I have one faith in God, and yeah, and I'm so happy for that. And as long as you never give up in life, because as you can see, a lot in our other people, I'm still lucky, you know what I mean? We are still lucky compared to those people that who have suffered a lot. So yeah, so that's why guys, if you in love, make it sure that magtira sa sarili, wag ibuhos o ibigay lahat-lahat. So it's really hard, especially to those people who are married, who are not only this for these people who are singles, they are committed, their boyfriend and girlfriends, or been married for so long, or hindi man, or nawasak, or been broken-hearted. Guys, whatever happens to your life is not your fault, okay? It's a trial that comes to your life. It's a thunder and a storm or a typhoon or a tornado that comes in your way. But God will never leave you by your side, okay? So yeah, yeah, I just feel that one to my reaction to that one that happened in China. Bless him, he's a very good guy. And yeah, to those who loves and everything, keep it up and keep loving to each other. And yeah, keep it away, char. Oh guys, we have a lot of chica now, and yeah, until next time, more chica, okay? Tada! So I'm gonna end this video right now, guys. I hope you enjoy our little chica honey in here. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Skylexus. Don't forget to like and comment and share. Until next time, guys, bye!